Hello friends, today we will be solving the lead code 30-day challenge question, which is subarray sum equals k. So in this question the input is an array which contains different set of values. We just need to find whether there is a continuous subarray, the number of continuous subarrays which equals to the value of k. So the value of k is the target value, so we need to find out whether how many number of subarrays are present with having sum of that value. So over here k is equal to 2, so we are just checking 1 plus 1 is 2, so we can consider it is a 1. Again we'll start from here. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is second subarray, and third one is not, like only one is present, so it is not. So we can find multiple approaches to solve this question. uh, if you go with the brute force, then you can use three for loops in order to find the number of one length arrays, then afterwards two length array, three length array, four length array, five length array. So we can use third for loop over here, and we can just find out whether, like, with the sub arrays of different sizes having sum equal to that, but that will cost us order of n cube. What we have done is we have used two for loops, uh, which are going up to the nums dot length I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot 10, I plus plus. Initially I have declared over here sum equal to 0. For int j is equal to I, it will start from this j less than nums dot length j plus plus sum plus nums of I, sum plus nums of j. So from the zeroth location it started, it will check whether sum is 0, sum plus this value nums j equal to k. If it is like that, the count will get incremented. Again it will check, again it will check, and it will again and again it will do like that only, and it will return the count, which is the number of subarrays. Okay, so we will be just iterating this. Let's see how our program works for this. Okay, so we have array which contains 111. So the length is I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, sum equal to 0, j is equal to I, which is as of now 0, j less than nums dot length, which is 3, j plus plus. J will go for 0 to 2, 0 1 2. Okay, sum plus nums of j. So sum plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 is equal to k, no. Again it will come, j is equal to now 1, sum plus nums of 1, it is 1. So again sum plus, earlier sum was 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, sum is equal to k, so count plus plus, now it became 1. Again it came for 1, sum plus nums of j is 3, so count will now become only 1 in this iteration. Now it will go for second iteration. Second iteration it will check sum plus 1 will be 1. Again it will come for this, it will become 2, and it will increment the count. Now the count is 2. For the third one, third element, only one element is there, which is sum plus 1. Only one is there, so 1 is not equal to k, so it will not get incremented. So result will be 2, and it will be returned. Let's see, let's submit it. Yes, it is getting accepted. Thank you.